This is not a pleasant taste. Looks like it's starting to work already. Hey guys! Welcome to my channel. My name is Celia. Today we're basically going to be doing my whitening routine. And I'm going to show you guys how I do that. I will be using my custom-made whitening trays. Yes, I wanted to be extra and show you guys. They're actually on my mold right now. So like I was saying before, I like using the custom-made whitening trays because when you use the strips, they get on your gums and they cause chemical burns, which hurts. These whitening trays are designed to be scalloped the way your teeth are so that they fit perfectly on your teeth. So this represents my teeth and this represents my gum area. And you can see that it's not touching my gum tissue. First step to my whitening routine. I'm going to start off by brushing my teeth. When you start whitening or when you're doing a whitening treatment, you want to make sure you get any type of food that's on your teeth or any type of outside staining off of your teeth so that when the chemical is applied, it's directly absorbed by your teeth. There's nothing blocking it. So I'm going to brush for 2 minutes and floss for 2 minutes. No, just floss. To have longer results with whitening, it's good to use a whitening toothpaste. So I'm using my Crest 3D White right now. I usually use a sensitivity toothpaste, but I've been using the Total Care Listerine mouthwash, which really helps with sensitivity for me. So I think I'm good today. I hope I'm good today. Can be the principle. Okay, so I finished brushing my teeth. Now I'm going to floss real quick using my Glide floss today. You know why? Because it's for free.
I had to close the door because somebody's here, but I'm going to floss my teeth real quick.
So you're flossing to get the stains in between your teeth too. So tonight, well, it's really 6 o'clock right now, but I'm gonna be using the Zoom Nite White. It's 22% hydrogen peroxide. Okay, so I'm done flossing. I'm going to be using the Philips Nite White Zoom 22%. If you guys watch my whitening video, this is one of the ones that I prefer most. So this is really like a night white, but really you could only wear it for 4 hours. Since it's 22% hydrogen peroxide, that means that you can only wear it for a lesser amount of hours compared to another whitening gel that's lower percent in hydrogen peroxide. So I predict myself to be awake for like probably the next 5 to 6 hours. Maybe I'll go to sleep around 11 or 12 a.m. So doing this around 6 p.m. is kind of good for me because I'll get 4 hours in. I'm going to start off with the top trays. So for my top trays, I'm only going to put a sesame seed size amount per tooth. And I'm only going to go from premolar to premolar. So premolar is basically the second big molar to second big molar. Just so you can see my smile line. And I'm going to do the same for the bottom. I'm going to go from premolar to premolar, just putting a sesame seed size amount. And I'm putting it at the very base of where I bite down to, so that when I bite, it gets evenly dispersed. So this is how it should look right before applying it. This is the bottom. You don't want to use too much. You honestly don't need too much, because if you bite down on it, it's gonna squish out and it's gonna get on your gums, causing chemical burns. And it doesn't take much to be absorbed into your teeth. So I'm gonna bite down into it. Top. Bottom. So if you have any excess solution, when you put them on, they're gonna start foaming again. That's like part of the chemical reaction. See, it's getting kind of foamy. My teeth have actually gotten a little yellow because I've been drinking a lot of tea, drinking a lot of smoothies, and I'm gonna leave this on for 4 hours. So see you in 4 hours. So I'm finished and it's been 4 hours. I'm going to take this off. Okay, so this is after the lightening treatment. It looks a little whiter right now, but it's basically going to continue to whiten for the next couple of days, probably like at the end of the week or within a week. I'll see the results. You can kind of see the ombre. So it starts off at the incisal edges, which is the parts where you bite down, and then as the week goes by, it's gonna slowly move its way up to where my gum line is, but it's gonna stop at my gum line. But it's a chemical process, so I know it's gonna whiten because it usually does. I have like kind of a tongue thrust because of wearing the trays. But thank you guys for watching. If you guys have any questions about anything that I was doing in this video, please comment down below and hit that notification bell if you're interested in knowing when I post any more videos. I love y'all. Have a good night. Bye. Look at that.